Good morning, everybody. It is August 26th, 2022, and I got great news. I could not find an expiration date on this garden safe take root rooting hormone. And so I went on to the internet and it says that they expire after 2 years, which I questioned and called the company. And of course, they informed me that as long as the powder is not contaminated with soil or moisture, it has no expiration date. Isn't that great news? So I told the lady that I was dipping my cuttings into the actual jar and maybe I should go back to doing it the old way, which was just putting some soil powder into a little cup or bag and shaking it up. And I also want to show you on this video that I did method number 2 for curing root rot, and in 2 days, I don't know if you can see this or not, I had new healthy roots growing out from the stem. There, you can see that. So as far as the root rot, if you would like to just snip off the old brown roots, you can. And if you use method number 2, you'll get new roots within a couple days and save your lovely plant. You all have a good day. God bless.